In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on animations in Squarespace. We'll walk through enabling a simple animation on a text element, so you can bring subtle motion to your site without touching code. Make sure you're in the Squarespace editor on the page where your text lives and you can see the element you want to animate. Animations can help guide attention and add personality, but keep them purposeful and consistent so they support your design rather than distract from it. Start by clicking directly on the text you want to animate. This selects the element on the page so you can access its controls. When the text block toolbar appears, click the pencil icon to open the editor for that block. This is where you adjust content and style, and it also gives you access to the animation options. Inside the editor, look for the animation section. Open it to reveal the controls that manage how and when your animation plays. Next, go to Triggers. Triggers determine the condition that causes the animation to start, so choosing the right one is key to matching your design goals. Click the plus icon in Triggers to add a new trigger to this element. If a default trigger is already present, click the current trigger to view and change the selection. You'll see several choices. On Hover activates when a visitor moves the cursor over the element. Great for interactive emphasis. On Press responds when the element is clicked or tapped. Useful for buttons or calls to action. Loop repeats continuously and works well for gentle, ambient motion. On Scroll triggers as the element enters the viewport while the visitor scrolls, which can make content feel more dynamic. On Appear starts once the element becomes visible, a simple alternative to scroll-based timing. Follow makes the motion track the visitor's cursor, adding a playful effect. For this example, choose Loop to create ongoing, subtle movement. With the trigger set, you can now pick the animation style. Select from options like Spin, Float, Hop, Look, Roll, and Breathe. Spin rotates the element for a lively effect. Float gives a slow, buoyant drift that feels airy and calm. Hop adds a light bounce to draw the eye. Look creates a gentle directional shift, suggesting attention. Roll moves with a rounded, rolling feel. Breathe expands and contracts softly, ideal for a calm highlight. Choose the style that best matches your brand tone and the importance of the element. Keep intensity modest for readability, and test how the animation feels alongside nearby content. That's it. Your text now animates according to the trigger and style you selected, enhancing your page with polished, purposeful motion.